Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Paysafe Card on Brawl Stars, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Brawl Stars application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, tap on the shop icon at top left corner of your screen and scroll all the way towards the right end. Here you can see there are two sections, one is gem packs and the other one is coin packs. If I try to buy 80 gems and select that option, you can see that it is asking me enter my card details. Simply enter your Paysafe card details and you are good to go. In case you can't find this page, you can simply close the game and head over to the App Store or Play Store. Now tap on your profile banner at the top of your screen, then select Manage Payments and add your Paysafe card details on this page. After you save this card as your payment method, you will be able to buy those gems by just selecting them. And that's how you can use Paysafe Card on Brawl Stars. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.